Hey everybody, this is Zarah of Watercolor Wizardry. Let's see. Couple announcements. I'm gonna actually pull back from the daily lives on the Academy because I need time for editing to get the lessons going in the courses and also packaging that Pear Project into its own standalone product. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut down on the daily lives. So what's gonna happen is on Wednesdays and Saturdays are gonna be my live days. So on Wednesday morning and Saturday morning will be Academy, which is 8:30 to 9:30 Pacific time currently. And then in the evenings for Wednesdays, I call it Watercolor Wizardry Wednesday. So I go live on the different social media platforms that I can, which would be YouTube, Twitch, Kick, LinkedIn. um, what's the fifth one? Facebook page, Watercolor Wizardry on the Facebook page. Okay, and then on Saturdays, it'll be with the creator community on the evenings. And the evening time, it's 3:30 to 4:30 Pacific time for whether it's Wednesday or Saturday. So creator community, it's a private community of people that have like signed up for anything through me. Not necessarily the supplies list, which I had going for a while. But if you get the right now it's image to sketch. It's just a PDF step by step on how to use a Affinity Photo to change an image into a pencil sketch. Yeah, so if you if you sign up for that, you actually get invited to creator community also. Because eventually that product will become a video series and all that. But right now it's a free PDF. When it becomes a video, there will be a cost to it. So don't think that you're just gonna get a video, like, because it's gonna have steps for GIMP, which is a free software, and then the steps for affiliate or Affinity Photo, but in video. Eventually, that's all these projects. My brain is very good about like creating projects in my head. It's the creating it into reality. The actions, that's the part where it's a little bit rougher. But we're getting better at that. So let's see, right now we're painting the apple, Macintosh apple. Today I'm gonna tackle the greens, so I think I'm still gonna go live today. It's 7 in the morning right now. And I go live in an hour and a half, so most likely, yeah. I just say most likely because my honey mentioned fishing and I really want to go fishing. Okay, but anyway, most likely I'll be painting. We'll probably leave later. Yeah, so after the Macintosh apple will be the rose petal. That's on the website already. You can see what it looks like. And then after that is the rose, which is also on the website. Again, watercolorwizardry.com is the website. You probably knew that. So, and then after that, I have a shiny cherry that we're gonna do, and then possibly tackle an orange. I kind of don't want to because there's so many dots. But yeah, I don't know. We're looking at that right now. So, oh, the other thing I wanted to talk about, the B watercolor paper, it's a bit too difficult to use for hyper, I think. I feel like I enjoy using Arsh because Arsh does what it needs to do, and so the challenge really comes to my uh painting skill level versus worrying about what the paper is doing. I mean, you still have to, but Arsh is just so good at managing itself. Believe me, the reason why these professional supplies cost more is because they make it easier for you to achieve like beauty, and they make it easier. So yeah, that's why you get the professional paints. The colors are just more vibrant. There's no fillers, like all that stuff. They matter when you start getting more detailed. If you're just painting loose things, I guess it's okay. I don't know. But when you have to like try to be precise, the supplies matter. So yeah, so switching on that, but I still want to use the B watercolor paper for fun projects because I've been wanting to do this masking technique, which is all it is you the shape that you paint I don't know how to explain it. So like you can have a bear, right? It's a shape of a bear, and you only paint inside the bear, and then it looks cool because you have this bear shape, and then inside is like scenery of mountains and trees. It's kind of cool. So I wanted to do that fun project coming up. I just don't know where to fit it in. And then I'm going to use it for obviously for foundation practice stuff. So probably through the color mixing series that I have, probably use B watercolor paper for that because, you know, we don't need to be precise necessarily. We're just mixing colors. So, yes. Well, I think that's all I wanted to update you on. So, again, join the Academy. It's super cheap right now. And yeah, if you stay, as long as you stay active membership, your rate stays forever. And I'm just building it and building it and building it. Okay, yeah. So I just wanted to announce the adjustment. I think that starts after Wednesday, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Talk to you guys later. All right. Bye.